I'm going to share a quick little tip with you. If you want to have two color prints, there's an easy way to do it using any printer that you have. What I have here is a blue block that has my logo, my little brain logo on top. And it's at the point right now where it is done printing the block and it's only printing the logo. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit pause on the printer. You gotta be careful you don't hit stop print. Pause print. And right now it is pausing. It's cooling off too, so you gotta work quick. Take the old filament out. Make sure that you're not pushing up or down on the filament head here. But load that other color in. Head back to resume print. I'm going to resume print. So now it is going to need to warm the machine back up. It cooled off quite a bit. But that orange filament will go over the top of the blue, giving it the look of a two-color print. All right, it's warmed back up. Now we're gonna watch this, make sure that it is resuming in the exact same place, that it didn't get bumped and offset while I was changing it. It's very easy to mess up your print when you're doing this, so you have to be careful. You can see that the orange is going exactly over the blue. So that means I didn't mess anything up, and the rest of this print is going to be orange, giving it a two-color look.